Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CADNest. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software CATIA V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CADNest YouTube channel.
Under CATIA, I'll be going for part design. Then give it as OK. In order to convert your 2D drawings into 3D models, we have some set of options called as sketch based feature and also some features called as dress up features. So with the help of this sketch based features and dress up features, you can create your 3D components. So let us delete one by one. First, let us go to sketch based features. Under sketch based feature, the first option is pad option. In pad, we have three types, that is normal pad, drafted, filleted pad and then multipad. Let us see how to use this pad option. So go for sketch. I'll be taking a sketch on my reference plane. I'll be taking a simple rectangle. So here, in order to convert this 2D drawing into 3D rectangle, go for pad. Then see here, we will be selecting a section, that is, this is your section, and here at the length type you will be specifying the height of a pad, so I will be giving it as 50 mm, and here you can specify the direction in whichever the direction you want, that is downwards or else upwards. And also here we have options called as mirrored extent. With the help of this mirrored extent, you can pad your feature on both the sides of your sketch. Say if I take it as mirror, now you can see my section has been padded to both the sides, that is from the center to the top 50 mm and also to the bottom 50 mm. Give it as OK. Like this you will be creating your 3D features. First you should draw 2D sketch, then you should convert it into a 3D pad. So this is about pad. Next thing we have is drafted filleted pad. So I'll undo this. Let's see how to use drafted filleted pad. Go for drafted pad, select your sketch. So here it is asking for a second limit. Second limit is nothing but from where the draft should be started. I'll be selecting the reference plane. From the reference plane, the draft should be started. And here I'll be specifying the length. I'll be giving it as 100. And also the draft angle. So I'll be giving it as 30. And give it as OK. Now you can see my draft has been created successfully. Drafting is nothing but the tapered surface will be produced. You can edit this by double clicking on here. So here if you click on the part list, you can go for draft environment and you can edit the draft angle, radius and all. So once again I'll tell this. Go for drafted filleted pad, select your pad, specify the limit. This is our limit. And I'll be specifying my draft angle and also the length of it. I'll giving it as 75. And here you can see that is the fillet radius. So fillet radius is nothing but, I'll be giving preview. Here the radius which are, that is smooth corners you are watching here. This is nothing but the fillet radius. So if I check it, uncheck this, now you can see we get a sharp corners. If I check this, you'll be getting a smooth corners. And also you can specify the fillet radius over here. So I'll be giving it as 10 on all the sides. Go for preview. So now you can see the fillet has been done to a radius of 10. So this is how we'll be using drafted filleted pad. Now next we have multipad. So what is multipad? Let us see how to use this. Say for example, under this sketch itself, I'll be editing this. Here I'll be drawing some more sketch. Exit. And if I go for normal pad, you can see, go for pad, select your sketch. And here you will be specifying the pad height. So here you can see all the features have been padded to a same height. So what if I want to pad my features to a different heights? So there comes multipad. I'll undo this. We'll go for multipad. We'll select the sketch. Under sketch you can see here you will be specifying a different height for different features. my curve is visible in green color, right? If I select a sketch, then you can see this sketch is highlighted. It means we will be specifying a length for this one. I'll be giving it as 20, and the next thing I'll be giving it as 50, and for this, so I'll be giving it as 2. Give it as OK. Now you can see all the features have been padded to a different height. So this is how we'll be using multipad. In order to get different height at pad, we'll be going for multipad. In the same way, we have pocket option. In pocket also, we have 3 types of pocket. That is normal pocket, drafted filleted pocket, and then multi pocket. The same way, the reverse of pad is pocket. Pad is used to add the material, and pockets is used to remove the material. So let us see how to use this. For this, I'll be taking a simple sketch over here. Say like this. I'll pad this feature. Then now let us see one by one about pockets. In order to use pocket also, we should go for sketch first. Here I'll be taking a simple rectangle. Exit. Here go for pocket option. Go for pocket. Select your sketch. Then you can see your pocket has been created here. We will specify the depth of a pocket. Say I'll be giving it as 40. Give it as OK. Now you can see your pocket has been created. Pocket is nothing but it is used to remove the material from a existing material. Then the same way we have drafted filleted pocket. So the reverse of drafted filleted pad is drafted filleted pocket. Let us see how to use this. Go for drafted filleted pocket, and I'll select my sketch. Here it is asking for a second limit. I'll select my top surface as my second limit, and here we will be specifying the draft angle. So I'll be giving it as 30, and the same way we have lateral radius, first limit radius, second limit radius, and all. I'll be giving it as 20. Then go for preview. So it is more. I'll reduce little. Give it as OK. Now you can see my drafted filleted pocket has been created like this. So if I use normal pocket, a straight pocket will be created. If I use drafted filleted pocket, a tapered pocket will be created. The next we see multi-pocket. How to use multi-pocket option. The reverse to multipad is multi-pocket. We go for sketch on top surface. I'll create a sketch over here. Go for multi-pocket. Select your sketch, and here you will be defining a different heights for different sketches. For this, I'll be selecting it as 5. For second thing, I'll be giving it as 20. And third one, I'll be giving it as 100. So now you can see the pocket has been done to a different depths. So this is how we'll be using multi-pocket options. So in this video, we saw about multipad and then multi-pocket. In the upcoming videos, let us see some more commands. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.